your cobweb? Spider, spider, where is your cobweb? Shall I make one for you? Shall I make one for you? With paper and only with paper. With paper and only with paper. Love that dear spider. Won't you love that dear spider? So we're going to make a paper spider today.
For this we need scissors and paper. Take a square sheet of paper and fold it like this. Now fold it again in half. Again fold it in half. Again fold it in half. Cut it along this line. Draw the following pattern. Cut these to get something like this. Now the web is almost ready for the spider.
We just need to open it up.
Now that the web is ready, we need a spider. We'll create another video for you to make a spider.